Patricia. I understand you have a problem with your father's boiler.
Yes, hello Jane. I'm very unhappy with the service Dad's received. We called today to report that his boiler had gone off again. This isn't the first time we've had problems with the boiler, and the last time there was somebody here, they said if it goes off again, we'll have to get a new boiler. When we called earlier, we were told that someone would be out today, and no one's been. So I rang on, now I've been told that no one is coming today at all. It's just not good enough. We have been waiting in all day, and when I ring in to find out what's happening, I am told that the priority is 24 hours, and that you're sticking with that. Dad's 81 and sitting at home with his fleece on, and he'll not move as he believes somebody's coming out today. And I'm not prepared to accept that no one will be coming out today.
Oh, I understand what you're saying. My parents are elderly too. The priority is 24 hours, but I will get someone out this evening to attend. I need to call the tradesman, and I'll get Anne to ring you back with the details, if that's okay.
Thanks. That's